when was it clear that it was reneged, that they were not going to be able to extend it?
In December.
Oh, great. So you only have about 5 months before you graduate.
And I was coasting along where everyone else is panicking, trying to find a job. I'm like, I'm good. That stinks for you guys. Enjoy your interviews. So then I panicked. I didn't really know what I was going to do. I had student loans coming that were going to start to need to be paid back. And I scrambled. So I basically, and I honestly don't remember who told me to do this, but someone gave me the guidance that, have you looked at jobs in public finance? And at this point, I've got to focus in public finance, and I still don't totally know what that means. So I basically, go to the internet, go to the Google machine, and start looking for jobs in public finance. And that's when I realize that as people are seeing my resume, it's like, oh, this guy has a focus in public finance. He must actually love municipal finance, because